everyone, this is Serenity with LiftedTrucks.com. This month's featured truck is a custom-built 2021 Ford F-150 4x4. This truck has a twin-turbo EcoBoost motor and produces 325 horsepower and offers up to 25 miles per gallon on the road. It also features a brand new 6-inch all-strut suspension lift, 20-inch fuel off-road wheels, and 35-inch Nitto Trail Grappler tires, all installed by our master technicians. Right now, we have over 600 trucks and SUVs to choose from. For more information on this truck or any others, please give us a call at 833-640-2740 or log on to liftedtrucks.com.